So if you have the time staked, as I do, and then it turns into the memo, what you would do is go up to wrap, then it's going to show up your actual memo amount, and then hit max, and it's going to turn it into wrapped memo for you. And just approve it, and then you have to give them permission to wrap your memo for you. Okay, now that you have approved the actual allowance of the smart contract to interact with your memo, to wrap the memo, now we'll wrap it. Then it is updated. Then you will see now I have wrapped memo staked instead of regular memo, which started on as time. So that's all I did, literally.